Hi guys, it's Tuesday, long bank holiday weekend. Thought I'd come down here, do some more work to the Mini. Run VT, Errol. Hi guys, Tuesday, long bank holiday weekend. Did lots of work in the garden and parents came over, which was nice. And to top it all off, went out for our second meal as a family yesterday evening. Absolutely superb. It was a really lovely meal in a place called Efsane in Longfield. Lovely food, Turkish, my favourite. Anyway, back to this. So last week I did this and cut out and welded in this little panel here. And today's one is to tackle this little bit here and also tidy up this, ready for making up a template for this one as well. So that's what I'll be doing. Stick you on some time lapse. What I've done is I've cut through the single of the double skin. So this is actually a double skinned piece of metal here, which takes up these 4 mounting brackets. So what I've done is I've cut through the first level, and then what I'll do is I'll make a template up to go over that. But also in the meantime is I'll tidy that up and put a piece in there, probably in off the back of this, just to hold that in place, and then weld that piece in first. Okay, so this is the first one. Made that little panel to go in there, like that. And I'll tack that in. I'll tack that in the corners. That will do that one and keep that one in there at bay. And then I'm just going to fill just a couple of tacks like that into that panel. And then I'll put another one, which I've got a template, because obviously I'll just cut it out. So this goes in here like that, and that will go over the top. And then what I'll do to strengthen it, I'll put a couple of holes here and then spot weld, simulate spot welds into those holes to allow that. So this one will get cut in a minute, but for now I'm going to make that, just tighten that up a little bit and make that good. Bring out the welder. That's in. So as you can see, I've just tack welded that all the way around. There's a little bit of a blow there, but it doesn't really matter because I'm going to put another panel over the top of that. So it should be fine. Here's our panel. Gonna go in there like that. Get a tack in it, and then another tack, and then another tack, and work my way down. Job's a good one. And there we are. As you can see, I've stitch welded all the way around. Done my simulated spot welds in the middle to hold the middle panel to that. And then you've got your 4 holes to take the suspension. So I've just got to grind that all off now, and we can go from there. But that is pretty good. Okay, so the next little bit to address is this mounting bracket at the front here. It's not needed, so it's coming off. And then we're going to start on that one as well. Yeah, this one first. I've just started to drill these holes, and I'm going to cut that off now. Remember what they say about minis? Blood, sweat and tears. Blood, sweat and tears. Well, there's the blood, and I'm sweating. And I've had a few tears over this car. She's done. Ready for another panel. Okay, so there we go. You can see I've taken that piece off and I've made it down into a straight line. So now what I've got to do is I'm going to make a little template up of that, and that will give me the line of the follow the line of the panel, so I can cut. And what I'll do is I'll make a bit like an infill panel, so it's flat metal, and then cut that piece out and then weld that in. That'll go in there. The next one is this. It looks like it's been whacked at some stage because there's a crease in this bottom corner and that should be flat. I think. Oh no, no it's not, no it's not. But I need to find out where the spot welds are to get that panel off, so that's my next job. So after all that, there it is. It's all off and I've got some plating up to do. Next bit is this bit up here. I'm not looking forward to cutting that off either. I think I'll probably put a saw cut down that and see if I can get it that way. Well, another productive day down at Bark Speed. Really pleased with that. It's gone really well. Where's my arm? There. It's there. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Cheers for now. And as they say in show business, that's a wrap. Look after yourselves. Bye for now.